What's up, savages? Have I got something special for you? Yes, I do. It's a fridge review. Starting off, look at this fridge. Rupert by Whirlpool, like some 87,000-year-old fridge. Delicious, nasty, moldy garbage all over the place. We got basically empty, super frozen teas. This shit's been in here for like over a year. I have no shortage of ice cubes, so that's good to go. Some illegal green things. This actually makes no sense. I poured water in here for like no reason whatsoever, and it's frozen. The water has frozen over, and look, I have some useless chunk of ice that I can throw at somebody's head if they break into my house. Anyways, next up, ta-da! Fucking makeup. Who else do you know that keeps fucking makeup in their fridge? I don't know. Then we got some about to expire almond milk that nobody drinks. My mom's cream. This sauce has been in here for probably also over a year. Caesar dressing that nobody eats. This is the diet of the Red Savage. Keeping all our greens and bullshit here. You guys are lucky that my mom just did groceries, otherwise there would be nothing in here. We got hummus, garlic spread, fucking spinach dip, Polish sausages, a bunch of meat products, and fucking sandwich, half a lemon, look at that, bunch of like rotting strawberries. I'm not proud of my fridge whatsoever. You guys can make fun of it all you want. This is my shit right here. I fucking overdose on this shit. Calcium and vitamin D because I can't drink milk because I'm allergic. I also overdose on this bullshit. Just pop those into the fucking toaster and get yourself some garlic fucking toast. And this is some disgusting shit I don't even want to touch. Looks like a moldy ass fucking rice. Also some fucking burnt pancakes. Who wants that? Not me. I guess as a bonus to this video, I'll show you what's in the cupboard. So behind me, hold up a sec, hold the fuck on. Lights, camera, action. Behind me we have some goddamn one-a-day vitamins, some crazy Polish, like, I guess for your coughs. See if you can read any of that bullshit. Chloro Grip. I overdose on that shit too. Maple syrup for the Canadian. Whatever the hell this bullshit is. Vegan organic protein bar. An empty almost bag of sunflower seeds. Some little fucking chickens that I'm gonna eat later. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy any of my videos, you're probably fucked up. And there's some dust on my camera that I gotta clean later. And oh yeah, today's Halloween, so I'm gonna drop a Halloween video later on today. Alright, have a good day, bud. Alright, bye.